Hello students, this is Assistant Professor Namrata Khilochia, Profile BBA College, Vapi. In today's session, we will be going to discuss various skills and competencies with HR managers. There are so many skills and competencies possessed by the HR managers. Apart from that, we will be going to discuss 6 major skills in today's session. The very first one skill or competency one should have as an HR manager, that is communication skills. As an HR practitioner, one must be able to express himself or herself clearly both in oral and written communication. The human resource field requires a lot of talking as the team is in charge of recruitment that entails a series of interviews. Apart from that, the HR manager deals with a lot of people day in and day out, listening to their issues, whether work related or not. Through this interaction, they gain the trust and confidence of the employees, thereby improving their interrelationship with the employees. The next one skill one should possess as an HR manager is organizational skill. HR entails a lot of functions including but not only limited to recruitment, training, performance appraisal, individual development plans and employees relation. An HR manager oversees all these functions and must have a systematic way of going through all the processes. For example, there must be a standard employee training program for each role in the organization, which required a proper organizational skills. Third one, decision making skills. There is a lot of decision making involved in human resource. One good example is during the recruitment process where they have to decide whether an applicant is the right fit for the role or not. One more example, that is, if out of the 5 executives having equal skills and knowledge and HR manager supposed to give promotion only one, then again decision making skill must require. Fourth one, training and development. Another function performed by the HR is T&D. HR managers are responsible for giving employees development opportunities in order to maximize performances and increase value to the organization. For training and development, one should have skills to identify the training need. Not only that, HR manager also possess to have a skill regarding whom to give training, how to give training, what will be the budget, and setting various training programs and related problems. Fifth one point, that is budgeting skills. Compensation and benefits all go through HR. The same goes with training and development, social activities, performance appraisals, etc. These activities have to be incorporated into their organizational strategic planning and budgeting, taking into account each department's project and their individual function. The primary role of the HR manager is to limit expenditure and not overspend on unnecessary activities. The sixth one skill one should possess as an HR manager, that is empathetic skills. Now what is empathy? So dictionary meaning of the empathy means putting your leg into others' shoes. That means understanding others before making any decision about the employee. The HR team deals with a lot of people and their concern, from workload to salary complaints to a conflict in the workplace. As a manager, one should need empathetic skills to ensure that they are understanding other person who is in front of you. And as an HR manager, you are making decision for him. You are judging him, his performance, his working skills. And that's why here HR manager must require empathetic skills so that they can judge the employees better and give better return to the employees for the long time stable organizational culture. HR is a terrific field with a lot of opportunities, but one should have to have the proper skills to become a successful HR manager. Thank you, students, for listening to me.